So we're off to the market to get some vegetables and see what they have to offer. It's my first time going to the market in Bali, but we'll check it out and see if they have some good stuff at good prices. And of course, we're gonna negotiate because that's just part of the journey. So we just got to the market right now. You can see it behind me. There's a ton of parking and a lot of bikes. And we just need to walk through there and check out what they have to offer. So I'll show you guys more in a second. Stay tuned for it. Prices vary in this market, so depending on the shop where you go, some shops have a lot more groceries while others have a few, but you can just walk around, compare the prices with the different veggies that you like, and then try to negotiate if you want to, but you don't have to because most of them are fairly affordable, so you just have to go around and check it.
57 per kilos. It's cheaper here.
You have some nice apples, green apples, red apples. And many of the shops have similar stuff. So if you just look around, you'll find some good stuff. These are some local fruits. And they look like lychee inside. You have the snake fruit. And this, I don't know what it is, but it looks pretty cool. So if you want to try something new, you can come here and just give it a try. And you have some Asian fruit there. I think it's like a dragonfly or something like that, which are pretty cool. Guys, if you're looking for spinach, they don't really have it here, but they have an alternative which is very similar, and it's called bayam, and it looks like this, and it's very cheap. This goes for 3,000 per bundle, and over here we have another one that acts as kale. It's their alternative, and it's called sawi ijo, and it goes for the same price. If you look around and compare, you'll find some good gems. Right now I'm at a shop beside the entrance. It's called Bunga, and you can find the best prices here. I compared a few shops, and I'm finding that these are the best. So we're getting our vegetables here and getting some sweet deals. So hopefully I don't break the bank here, but again, most things are very affordable. And guys, if you're liking the content so far, don't forget to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe. And I'll show you guys more about Bali. And this market is located in Uluwatu on the main road. So if you come around, you'll see it. You can't miss it. It's very popular. And there's a flower shop across the street as a reference point, so you guys can easily find it. Guys, I have exciting news. I know a lot of you would love to travel to Bali, but don't know where to start. You've seen places on social media or YouTube and you just love it, but you don't know where to go, where to begin. And that's a problem that a lot of people face when they come to Bali. They end up staying in Canggu and they're stuck there. Like they just go to these little cafes and the beach club and that's it. Like there's a lot more to see in Bali, like where I am right now, which is in Ubud. And we're just getting to the rice fields right now, but I've included all of those details in the guide and you can find it on balitravelcompanion.com and you can get it for really cheap and you get access to it right away via download and you can use it towards your trip. And you also have different planners that you can use to schedule your day, to schedule your budget, to determine exactly what you want to spend and have an amazing experience. This guide is created for people that are staying in Bali for about 7 to 10 days. But if you're also staying here for a long term, like living here, you can also use this guide to discover some of the different places, like where to eat, your hotel, or the visa information so that you can have a good start at your stay in Bali. And even if you're visiting as well, like for short term, it's also good to know your different visas that you need because a lot of people just show up at the airport and they don't know what's happening and they get stuck or they want to stay for a longer period of time, but they can't because the visa on arrival doesn't allow you to extend. But I've included details there that tells you exactly what you need to do step by step to make sure that you have the best experience in Bali. So guys, don't forget to visit that balitravelcompanion.com and get your travel guide.
94. Yeah, 94.
So that's 94,000 for 2 big bags of celery, which comes to around $7 US. It's not too bad. And we have our kale and spinach alternatives. So let's see how much it costs. So this looks like a great place for general groceries. So we're looking for a few things. Let's see what they have. You can get some fresh milk. And some produce. You got some extra virgin oil. Very useful for cooking. And the good old Nutella. Don't you love Nutella? Because I love Nutella. Look at this! Nutella. Alright, so we have some Nutella there. And we'll see what else they have. We got some teriyaki sauce right here for your chicken lovers. If you have a special love with chicken, this is the thing to get. And you also have some granola here, like mango cashew, and this goes for 90,000, which is about $6-7. This is a pretty sweet deal because most places sell this for like 200 or more. So this is a sweet spot where you can get some good deals. See, we have the nice lady here. She's selling me everything for 2,000. Special price for me. So we were able to get a few more groceries here. Was about 200k. A little pricier than other places, but those are standard stuff. And the price is still better than Pepito. So if you come here, you'll find some sweet deals. You don't even have to negotiate because you can still get something for a good price. We're looking for some meat, and it looks like the majority of the stuff are already out, so it's better to come here in the morning because you get a larger selection. But you can still see that they have some stuff, some shrimp, but the majority of the stuff is already out. Look at all the goodies we got. So many things. We're able to fill this whole bag plus here. It's full, the whole cabin, all for 25 bucks, which is pretty sweet. So this is gonna last us 3 weeks. 3 weeks of veggies for 25 bucks. That's a sweet deal that you can't even find in America. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe so we can show you guys more content and more great places to see in Bali. And these hidden gems that most tourists don't get to see. Even if you're here for a few days, it's good to just come and get some fresh veggies straight from the farm into the market. And I'll show you guys more. Until next time.